Hello students, see what we got here on our screen, biology. And this is the first biology that will be presented to students here. And this is the first time we are attempting biology question, and we're looking at 2024 biology question, and this is paper 2. Wow, this is great. So here are the questions, and what I'll be utilizing here is what I call the IJMB study pack. Please check the description to get the study pack, and also do well to subscribe, please. I cannot be having over 10,000 views in the channel and just having only 203 subscribers. It's not making sense, not encouraging. Please encourage me, please subscribe. Do well to subscribe, and we'll be using the IJMB study guide, and I will not be having time to explain. As you could see, it's full of explain this. Now the reason why I'm using this study pack is to also encourage students so that they can get it. Check the description, it's there. Please, I'll be waiting for you. You can pause the video, check the description, get this, and come back to watch. Now I'll not be explaining myself, I'll just be going through it. I'll be scrolling through I'll be going down screen on the study pack because I've already gotten the answer. Now the reason why you need the study pack, it's self-explanatory, and not just only self-explanatory, it also gives you an insight on how to go about answering IJMB question. You get, with an experience in IJMB, there are ways and there are procedures for you to go about answering the question. So what the study guide gives you is an insight on how you go about answering IJMB question. So over the screen are the answers, and I took my time to prepare this as to help students gather courage and stamina to see solutions to their questions. Because one of the challenge I had during the time I was doing my IJM was that there were no solutions anywhere, and the past question seems very terrifying to answer. So I summoned courage that no, other students will not be partaker of this suffering, and I had to prepare and took my time to arrange all this. So you could see in the screen, you can pause the video at your leisure time, copy out the answer, and when you are copying, what it is doing is that it enables you to also learn and study. Like you can see, it's prepared in such a way there is an explanation to even the answers. So do well to subscribe, please subscribe, check the description, and also get the study pack for 2025. The study pack is prepared to enhance student understanding and get them ready for the upcoming examination. You can't afford to lose this opportunity. And if you notice, the solution to maybe the C part of the question wasn't in that study pack, but I still made it available in photo form. As you can see, this is it, and you can also write it down. It's for your own benefit. These are answers to the sub-objective skills, afferent, it is a sensory neuron, bloodstream, glomerulus, siphon, cell membrane, cones, secretions. And one of the things you should put in the back of your mind, I am a BTech student in biology in prospect. That is to say, I'm a final year student, and I just have to disclose my identity today so that you should be sure that biology is in my field. And as of science, I just love sciences, and I had first-hand experience with the exam IJMB, and that's why I'm taking my time to go over it and over it again. And you can be sure I did very much well in my exam. And my students over 5 years now, they have been doing so much well. I have students who got 10 points, I have students who got 8 points, 9 points, and many more. So please take your time and level up yourself and get yourself ready for the upcoming examination. Remain blessed. In this 2025, I have come up with an amazing package known as the IJMB Study Pack 2025. Inside the study pack, we have amazing and interesting materials that will level you up for your upcoming examination, ranging from the AZ IUPAC nomenclature, a complete guide that will get you stand out when attempting organic chemistry. I have interesting past questions ranging from 2021, 2023 down to 2025 to 2024, and series of question and answer completely solved and explained level up to meet up your demand for 2025. IJMB 2024 question, chemistry, physics, biology, completely solved with full explanation to meet your requirement. It's a study pack. Also have past questions for you, series of past questions, and best, my note is made available for you, self-explanatory on mechanics ranging from measurement and dimension, motion, projectile motion, circular motion, momentum, work power and energy, gravitational field, elasticity, surface tension, fluid motion, vibrations and wave, Doppler effect. You will not love to miss out this amazing opportunity. So I encourage you to subscribe, check the description, and reach out to me to get your IJMB 2025 study pack.